Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're reviewing the top 3 best car batteries of 2025, perfect for drivers looking for reliable, long-lasting performance. Whether you're upgrading or replacing your battery, we got you covered with honest reviews and expert recommendations. Stay tuned to find out which battery suits your car best. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more auto tips and reviews. Number 3. The NOCO Boost Plus GB41000, a ultra-safe car battery jumpstarter, is a compact yet powerful solution that brings peace of mind to anyone who drives. Capable of jump-starting dead batteries in seconds, it's rated for up to 6.0L gasoline and 3.0L diesel engines, covering everything from passenger cars and trucks to ATVs and boats. Powered by a 1,000-amp lithium battery, it offers up to 20 jump starts on a single charge, a true lifesaver in emergency situations. Users consistently praise its ease of use and reliability, especially for those who may not have mechanical experience. One reviewer even called a must-have for every woman or single parent, noting how simple and safe it is thanks to its spark-proof technology and reverse polarity protection. Another user successfully revived their car multiple times without having to call roadside assistance, highlighting the GB40's convenience over waiting for help. Beyond jump-starting, this device also doubles as a portable power bank with USB-C charging and features a 100-lumen LED flashlight with multiple modes, including SOS. Its rugged, IP65 water-resistant casing ensures durability, while the lightweight 2.5 pounds design makes it easy to store in your vehicle. With its solid build, advanced safety features, and multi-functionality, the NOCO GB40 is a smart investment for anyone who values preparedness and independence on the road. Number 2. The BCI Group 94R car battery, 12V80Ah 850cc AGM, is a strong performer in the automotive battery market, especially considering its competitive price. Designed for a wide range of vehicles including cars, trucks, RVs, and even tractors, this maintenance-free AGM battery offers impressive 850 cold cranking amps (CCA), making it reliable even in freezing conditions. Users report that it comes well packaged and arrives fully charged, ready for immediate installation. One reviewer noted that while it fit tightly into their 2001 Audi A4, they appreciated not having to deal with core returns and were pleased with its initial performance. The only minor complaint was about the battery's folding handles, which felt flimsy given the unit's 53-pound weight, so extra care is needed during handling. Another user was pleasantly surprised at getting an AGM battery at nearly half the cost of similar units from local stores. It provided strong, consistent startups even after sitting idle for days in 5-degree weather. The fact that it's a sealed, spill-proof battery also means no more dealing with acid maintenance, making it safer and more convenient. With features like deep cycle capability, vibration resistance, and enhanced safety design, this battery offers excellent value for money. For those looking for a powerful, reliable, and budget-friendly AGM option, this 94R battery is a solid choice. Number 1. The Upless BCI Group 94R AGM L80 Up car battery is shaping up to be a solid performer in the premium AGM segment. With 850 cold cranking amps (CCA) and a 12V80Ah capacity, it delivers strong cranking power even in harsh winter conditions. Designed for vehicles with start-stop systems and high electrical loads, this battery fits a wide range of cars, vans, RVs, and trucks. Its deep cycle capability and 4x longer cycle life make it especially ideal for vehicles that endure frequent short trips or sit idle for days. One user reported a perfect fit in their 2023 Maverick Hybrid, praising its reliable performance through a harsh Chicago winter, even after their factory battery repeatedly failed. Another buyer found it fit their Kona EV perfectly despite Amazon's system flagging it as incompatible. Both highlight the battery's dependable fit and strong cranking ability. Beyond power, the Upless boasts impressive safety and durability, 15 times more vibration resistance, and a sealed, leak-proof design. Its local after-sales support and 3-year warranty are also standout features, offering extra peace of mind. At £52, it's a hefty but manageable upgrade, and many users appreciate skipping core returns and acid maintenance. For anyone needing a reliable, maintenance-free AGM battery with premium specs at a reasonable price, the Uplist 94 is a compelling option. Thanks for watching our review of the top 3 car batteries in 2025. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow drivers. Got questions or your own battery recommendation? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and car care tips. See you next time.